or in our own country in Ireland to say that we will stand up for and we will highlight where there are breaches of human rights, of international law, and call for the safety of any protesters. It is important that we don't escalate anything in the region, and I've heard very clearly from Minister Agileti obviously that the very challenging environment that the region is in, and so it's important that any decisions that are taken by any state here, that they do not cause further tensions and escalations within the region. At the same time, I would ask the question, why would any country have a communications ban of this kind if there was nothing that they were hiding? And I would ask Iran to engage with international partners to lift the ban and to engage on the challenging issues that they are obviously dealing with. In terms of the EU, again, I will work with our partners and colleagues in the EU. We'll work with our representative Kaya Callas in responding to any challenges as they emerge.